how to add cash gift on Throne. So here's what you want to do. Load up the Throne website, and then what we're going to do is click on add gift. Now it's going to take us to the gift store, and here next to the search bar you should be able to see add cash gift. Click on this option. You can create a name for the gift itself, so you're gonna call it something like money, and you can also change the colors here, the icon, and you can also change the price. So you can go through these different currencies as well as the amount here. So if you want to create a cash gift for 100, you can do that by typing out 100 here. You can also adjust the quantity as well. Now the gift description, enter a description for this gift. I'm going to call it $100 gift, and then you can click on either save for later or add to wish list. I'm going to add to wish list, which is going to immediately create it. Successfully added. This item was added to your wish list. If you view your wish list now, as you can see, we have the wish list, and we can click on the share button here to share this item. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.